Yeah, you're welcome back. Now the next thing to do is we'll be setting some basic things on our dashboard, creating pages and arranging menu. So now I'll log into my WordPress dashboard. Now this is my username, password. So I encourage you to be clicking this button to be marking the remember me for easy access to your website. So you won't need to be typing username and password every time. So just click login to log into my dashboard. Now this is my dashboard. So to make some settings, I will now go to settings. Yes, settings. Let's go to writing. Sorry, the first thing I will be setting here is my permalinks. You know, I didn't talk about that the other time. So permalinks, we are getting into designing, full designing now. So on this permalink, it's what will determine how your URL, your links, your website links will be looking like. Yes, for plain it will be HTTP, your localhost, your website name, $P equal to 123. You know that one is not good. This also include dates, sample post. That one is not good, it's not advisable. Then date, sample post as well. But this format of dates did not include what day. This one include day. This one is ordinary, year and month. Then sample post, the name of your post. Numeric, this one is just localhost, your website name, then achieve 123. That's not good. So the best of it is this post name. So you choose it. It will just indicate localhost, your website's name and sample post. What this means is that this how it will show for using localhost. But if you are using live host, it will just show after this HTTP, it will shows www dot your website's name .com/ the name of your post. Yes, or your page, either the name of your page or the name of your post. That's how it goes. So post name is the best. Then after choosing that, you just click yes, save changes. Now after that, let's move to pages. You know, I've talked about this, the functions of those menus here, but we'll be working on it as we move on. Now we want to create pages. You click on pages now to see what's in it before. This is the sample page, and that's this is the sample page that you just include it for including sake. Yes, permit me to use that in English. So we now want to create our own pages. Okay, but first let me trash this. Let me delete it. Yes, you know, I've deleted it. It's now in trash. Let me refresh this page again to see here. You see that this one will be dismissed now. Waiting for it to load. You will see it will dismiss now. Or is it not loading? Okay, sorry, it's a post, not a page. It's in post. that is in post. So I've deleted that. I don't need that. So I will now create my own pages. In websites, the first thing that you will see at the top is the website logo and the menu. So before you can arrange menu, you will need to create pages. Part of the pages is what you'll be using as menu. Now, the most common on websites, if you check all websites, the most common menu that you'll be seeing in there is home, contact us, about us, blog, maybe services, and so on. But you will be creating menu and like 3, 4 of the pages now. Now to create a page, you click new here, or you click here. Let me use this. Add new. That's add new. Now our menu, our page name is home. Yes, that's home page. Then you click publish. Yeah, okay, let's go back. We've created home, you can see. Now let me use this button now to create blog. That's blog page, blog, publish. That's blog page. You now create another one. Let's call it contact us. That's contact page. Contact us. Yeah, publish. Yes, you can see that this thing is very simple. We've created home page, contact us, and blog. This is the privacy policy that we made there. Just leave it like that. Then let's create another one. What should I call that? About us. Yeah, about us page. About us. That has been created. Page published. Okay, let's create one more. Let's call that one services. We just type the page title, the page name, and this add title. That's services. Aha, that's it. Now we've created about 5 pages now. Is it 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As you can see, it's arranging it alphabetically. It's about us page, blog page, contact us page, home page, and services page. Now, what will be the next thing for us to do? The reading is the next thing for us to set. The reading, we can find that under what? Under settings. Reading. Let me open it on another tab. Reading. You know, I left it the other time in the previous video because we haven't created any page then. So now we've created some pages. Then we need to set that right now. We need to set it right now. It's loading. Yeah. Okay, it has been loaded. This what I'm talking about. We left it the other time. So for home page display, it's on your latest post now. We don't need that. You just come to a static page. So it will now bring these options forward: home page and post page. Now what shall we select for this home page? As you can see, when I clicked it the other time, it didn't bring anything, but it now brings the pages that we've just created: about us, blog, contact us, home, services. What will be our home page now? Is home. Yes, home. Now on posts, I don't want my posts to be showing on my home page. No, I want it to be showing as a blog, as blog. Yeah, as blog to content. I will not click this and click blog. Yeah, this is what I explained the other time. Blog posts show at most, that's 10. Let's leave it there. Okay, feed most recent, to be updating it with recent posts. Sorry, for each post in the field include full text summary. I've talked about that earlier. So now we now click save changes. We've changed the change, we've saved the changes now. Okay, before we move on, let's check our website. Let's see how it looks like now. Okay, this is home. Okay, you can see how it looks like now. Let's refresh it to see how what we've done has been affected. Yeah, you can see these are the pages that we just created. So it's on home page now. This is our home page, as you can see. So if you click services, it will show blank. As you can see, we haven't do anything, we haven't talked much about anything, we are just getting started. Now what we now need to do is to rearrange our menu. We will rearrange our menu. Yes, all pages. If you are designing a website, you will create many pages. I mean many pages, but you will need to select some pages that you want to be on this menu bar, because if you don't arrange it, if you don't do what I'm going to do now, all pages you are creating will be showing here, which is wrong. So to now select some pages as menu and arrange it properly as it's supposed to be, we'll now go back to where? Okay, let's go back to appearance. You can see menu here, then you click menu. That's it. It will bring a page. This is where you can set your menu. We haven't arranged any menu before, so what will be our menu name? Because we have different websites. Yes, and on websites, the requirements of the website will determine how you will arrange the website. Some websites may have two menus. This will be the main menu, and another menu will be at the top that we call upper menu or top menu, and some menu will be at the footer. Yes, but to be able to identify it, it's better to name it appropriately for easy access. Now we'll name our menu. We'll name it what? Let's name it main menu. Main menu. That's it. That's the menu name. So click on create menu. You can click any of the two. That's it. So to now add the pages that we want to be showing at the main menu, we'll click view all here. View all. You now select the pages: home page, blog, about us, contact, services. That's the pages. Now you click add to menu. Add to menu. It will show here now. Correct. As you can see, it has bring it here. These are the menus. that we are adding on our main menu. Okay, before we now leave that, let's say auto add page. Now desktop horizontal menu, we don't need that. It should be okay. Desktop mobile menu, let's use it for mobile menu. Okay, let's choose this, then we'll click save menu. So after clicking it, we will reload our page. Let's refresh it and see. You can see now home page is now here, blog, about us, contact us, services. But the way it arranges it now, I don't like it. I want my services to be next to home, then about us, then blog, then contact us. Now see how I will arrange it. Now this is the home. I will now just click on it and drag this below home. That's where I want it to be. Then about us to be followed, then blog. Okay, let me save it like this, then I will refresh it. Watch, correct. As you can see, it has rearranged it. Home, services, about us, blog, contact us. Now let me do something. Now under this services, I want this about us and blog to be some sub item. This it. I will just drag it forward like this. You see, it will now be below services. That means we are having main 3 menus now and 2 sub items. These ones will now live here. They will be under services now. Okay, let's click save and see how it works. I'm showing you that in case you want to do something related to that. So I will now refresh it. I will load it. Yeah, correct. You can now see home, services, then contact. So if you adjust over on it now, it will show about us and blog now. So that's how to arrange it. Let's say we have some, maybe under the services we want to put some things there. You just create the page and do it as I just did it now. But we don't need that for now. Let's drag it back to make it a main menu. What's happening? Go back. Okay, then don't forget to be clicking save menu before, because if you didn't click save menu, it won't be effective on your website. Now we've done that. So okay, let's say forget. Let's assume, okay, if you have created some pages, the pages will be here. As you can see, that hello world, as I said, so if you are creating posts, the post will also appear here. It will also appear here. When we get to blogs, I will talk more about this. I will explain this better. But let's go to custom links. Let's assume you want to add a link to the menu. That's whenever anyone click on the menu, it will redirect them to another page or website. This way you can do that. Let's assume I want to add one of my websites. Let me say universe universe writers. Okay, let me just, okay, I don't need that. Let me do it this way for better understanding. So when you want to type this type of link, note that you should add http. If subtaculous is on it, sorry, if what are we calling it, SSL it's on it, you will need to add s, then colon / www. That's my website link. Try that. Let me use self-WordTech, https www.selfwordtech.com. That's it, selfwordtech.com. So what should I use as text link? Because I want to add it on the menu. Text link, let me say buy now. Maybe we are selling something on it and we want to redirect people to it with this. Let me say buy now, add to menu. You will see it will add it automatically here. Then I will click save menu. Then let me refresh this again. Aha, you can see this, buy now. If I click it now, it will automatically the network is too bad. It's too bad. How come the network is too bad? What's happening? Okay, let me go back. Aha, you can see the network is bad here. Now that's how to set what are they calling it, custom links. That's how to set it. I've used this as an example. On categories, if you are making posts like blogs, you will need this, what we call categories. That's the categories here under posts, the categories here. Once you've created the categories with different names, it will also appear here. So all that we'll be discussing it later when we get to blogging aspects of the training. So see you guys in the next video. But I will encourage you people to try all I'm doing. Create your own pages, set it appropriately, arrange your menus, and do all necessary things we've done so far, so that in the next video we'll be talking about how to install them, how to get themes and install it, and how to install plugins, and we'll start working on it gradually. I bet it with you, if you're following the class as it is and you are watching this video and follow all the step-by-step training explanation on the training, I believe this thing will be easy for you. Yes, it will be easy for you, and the sayings will be changed, because the sayings before joining this group is that WordPress sign is hard, it may be difficult. No, it's very simple and sweet. I bear it with you, very simple and sweet. So go and try your own and let's see how it looks like. It may not be necessary to follow all my formats. You can use anything, you can add anything as a menu. Yes, just do it and practice it. And more importantly, please I will be glad to see you subscribe to my channel. I want you people to subscribe to my channel. At least before the end of this month, I want to be seeing like 500 subscribes on my channel. I want you to like it, click on like, click on subscribe, click on the bell beside the subscribe, click on it, share it with other people. Yes, share it on your Facebook, WhatsApp, and so on. Please, I want you to do this for me. Then more importantly, I also want you to be commenting on the what are they calling it, on the channel, under the video. I want you to be commenting. You can ask questions there as you are asking on the group, on the in your Telegram group. You can also ask questions there, and I will be answering it there. So let's make it real. Thank you so much.